Installing an interposer card. Make sure the following components are installed in the chassis: SXM GPU board assembly, liquid to air hybrid cooling module. Pull the SXM GPU board assembly latch outward until it stops, and then move the SXM GPU board assembly handle down so that the two retention clips are facing up. Connect the power cable to the interposer card. Slightly press and hold the cable latch and then connect the 4 cold plate assembly pump cables to the interposer card. Align the interposer card with the 4 guide pins on the chassis and then attach the interposer card to the chassis and slide it down to secure it in place. Pull the SXM GPU board assembly latch inward to connect the SXM GPU board assembly to the interposer card. Align the front drive tray support bracket with the 3 guide pins on the chassis and then press the front drive tray support bracket until it clicks into place. Lower the SXM5 GPU board assembly retention bracket into the chassis and then slide the retention bracket forward until it is aligned with the alignment mark on the chassis. Install the following components. Refer to the videos in the playlist for each component's replacement procedures. Install the top cover.